We'll do the auscultation of the heart. For this, we'll use the stethoscope and we'll place the diaphragm of the stethoscope at the point of the elbow over here, and we'll place it for around 15 seconds. Then after we'll multiply by 4 times to take the heart rate after 1 minute. Then we'll auscultate the lungs, and for this we'll imagine the triangular area, and that triangular area will extend from it will divide the triangular area into the 3 borders: the dorsal border, the cranial border, and the ventral border. And the dorsal border will extend from the caudal of the caudal to the caudal pole of the scapula up to the 13th thoracic rib, and the cranial border from this caudal pole of the scapula up it will extend up to the point of elbow, and imaginary the curved line will extend from the 13th thoracic rib to the point of elbow. In this region, we will auscultate the lungs, and we will take the lung sound over here.